Hi guys, welcome back. Anastasia here. Today we'll be organizing a huge mess that my son made with the PS4 and the whole mess that comes with it. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom. We can't really put any built-in cabinets or any bookshelves or anything like that to organize it because we have a window and a fireplace right next to it. So for this, I had purchased a plain simple shoe shelf with the metal shelving, as you can see, so none of the little things would go through. Walmart, its own brand, $25. So this shelf comes with 2 brackets and 2 metal shelving. A whole bunch of little attachments. Very easy to assemble. The first thing we do is put the metal shelving in and just screw it in. Nice and simple. And let's do the same on the other side. Nice and simple. Oops, stuck is not going. Now we can put a second shelf in. And we screw it in again on both sides. Now, this shelf comes with 4 little wooden pieces. That's for if you purchase another one of this, you can attach it over here and put another shelf on top. But we have only one, so we put little guys over here to cover the little holes so it's not as visible on both sides. Get in. Make sure this one's nice and tight so it wouldn't be any wobbling happening with all the PlayStations and the whole mess that comes with it. So our beautiful modern shelving is all ready to go. So now we begin to move everything away and in putting it on top of the shelf. So now we have all organized, nice and clean, no mess around, no wires around, everything is nicely tucked in. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments. Bye.